Yeah.
Today is and then this is Kasarmikatu 9 staircase A. We'll go to the staircase B also.
Yeah.
Through the basement. There's 8 floors here. And the best is to repurchase the 25 rooms. Original MP4 fixtures and the mechanical communication.
Yeah.
Somebody put that one there.
Yeah.
And the being spec in 2023. It was built in 1960 actually.
Yeah.
So I'm 60 years old and that's 2020. So number is H9146. Probably summer 1960. Or spring or summer 1960.
Yeah.
One of the earliest with MP6.
Yeah.
This is in Kuopio, Northern-Savo, Pohjois-Savo, Northern-Savo, Finland. Love the relays here.
Yeah.
I actually like, when we got inside here, I just dragged the door open.
Yeah.
Even though there's a code. And even more with the basement is open, so.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is the staircase B.
Yeah.
And we will go to staircase A.
Yeah.
Through here to the basement.
Inspected back events and maintained back home.
That's a program maintenance.
Yeah.
For 61-year-old elevators. This is good. It's just as it should be.
Yeah.
But of course they could have been made a bit faster.
Yeah.
Because it was possible to do a bit faster in that time. I have even filmed in Turku from 1958, also faster.
Yeah.
And there were MP4 everywhere. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching it. Let's go to the staircase A through the basement.
That's